Several students have asked me how to make a ghost blaster like this one. And one very clever student today suggested, hey, we should have these for our Canes Arcade. You could make a game with that. Oh, so cool. So I realize not everybody has these clear tubes. So I'll show you the original design that I found many years ago, just using paper towel rolls. Now, one needs to fit inside of the other, and that's not gonna work. So what I did was I just cut a slit right up the middle. And then you can roll this one tighter and put some tape on it. And now I have a tube that will go inside of a tube. You might want to put some tape on there. And now to connect the rubber band, we need to punch some holes in both tubes. Make the holes a little bigger. And you want to make sure those holes line up on both sides. And we're just going to slide the rubber band all the way through. And getting the right rubber band size sometimes is tricky. In this case, I had two short ones. They were too short, so I just put them together. And then I just pull this one out and through here. And there we go. Now, another advantage of not cutting the rubber band is you have a really strong connection here. All you need is a paper clip. And then pull that through. I might put a piece of tape on here just to hold it in place. And now I have my working cannon. I like to put a little tab on there. So a little tape sticking out, and I'm gonna fold it over. So now I've got kind of a handle. Now I'd love to shoot a ping pong ball, but it just doesn't quite fit. And that's okay, because Canes Arcade, we're supposed to use things we have around the house. So to make a little paper version, I just get a piece of paper. And I happen to have some really cool space tape. Beautiful. Ha-ha! I like to add a little thumb drawing here so the user knows where to hold it when they're shooting. You can even add a handprint here so the user knows how to hold it when they're shooting. And you got yourself a shooter. Now this is a very basic model. You can take this simple version and make it much fancier and add all kinds of cool tricks to it. And I think this would be a great addition to your Canes Arcade game as a fun shooting game. Just add a little tape at the top to match the ball so that the user sees where to put that. And I'm off to a good start. Now, what's the goal of my game? And these cups are kind of boring now. What am I going to do to make those cups go with this game? Are they going to be aliens that I knock down? This is your opportunity to decide what to do next with your Canes Arcade shooting game, if you should choose to do one.